We are going back into super full glam, over the top, everything. So before we get into it, make sure to like the video if you want to see more makeup tutorials like these, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related. A little bit different today. As you can see, my face is not done. We're gonna start with the eyes. Eyebrows are done and primer is done as well. For the New Year's Eve over the top makeup look, we're gonna go into the James Charles eyeshadow palette. That was kind of trippy. So the shade Punch Me. We're gonna put this right in the crease and just really contour everything softly. We have to celebrate even from our couch. We have to count down, look beautiful AF, and feeling ourselves, of course. Right, going into the shade Mary. This one is more of like a pink tone, but I really like it, especially for my eyes. I'm just placing that very quickly, you know. I like to place the color and then blend it properly to see where it's going. Right, so now it's kind of like a little harsh for my liking. I'm gonna take the shade Canvas, which is this one right here. This is the lightest shade of the palette in a matte form. On the side and the edges at the top. And then now I'm just gonna cut the crease and do a beautiful crease, very cute. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna take the P. Louise base in Rumor 01. So you draw and then you tap. You make sure to add as much as you can. And I'm gonna be mixing 2 shades, and those are the 2 shimmers right here at the beginning of the palette. Ring Light for the beautiful yellow one, and Sister for the pink one. Pink one for more of the outside. Sister at the rescue. Ring Light, which is the beautiful, more white, yellowish color. It's really gonna be super, super bright. I could have put like a matte shade, more matte shades, but I really wanted to do something, I don't know, for New Year, something more bright, over the top, if you know what I mean. I like over the top. So the thing is, now it looks kind of ugly. Okay, so there's a big line between the shimmers and the matte shade. So I'm going to take back the shade Mary, which is that really beautiful pink shade, and I'm going to blend it into the shimmers. And to the shimmers. And I bring it into a rounded shape. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can see the difference. Like this eye looks way better than the other one. Like this one looks like, ugh. Just... girl, we're here. I want to do the lower lashes after my face because I think it's pretty important. It was one thing that I wanted to add in between the shimmers and the matte shade, and it was the One Size eye popper. So this one is just really pretty. It is in the shade Pea House. I feel like it's gonna add such a beautiful shimmer in between, and it's gonna add some glitter. So I'm just gonna put it on my hand. A little liner brush, be super precise, and apply it in between. Oh, that is so cute. We're getting there. Half of the eye is done, and then we're just gonna do the face very, very quickly. So I'm just gonna contour since it's supposed to be super over the top. And this one is the HD Lifting Concealer from e.l.f. Very inexpensive. I now have to be careful because I literally never do my makeup like never with my eyebrows on, my eyes on, so I didn't do that in a while. So let's see where it's gonna go. Sharpen the jaw, even though my jaw is already like sharp. Go bestie, and bestie. Oh, bestie. Oh no, this is really bad. It's okay though. The Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Better age rewind my face. It almost looks like I don't need anything else, but I'll put some foundation on top because this is going to be very much of a big contrast between the two. Little brush so I don't disrupt these beautiful eyebrows because, you know, when you put a lot of work and you just end up like messing everything up, we kind of want to avoid this. And for the foundation, I'm going to put the Hydrate Plus Smooth Maybelline Fit Me foundation just because I want something dewy, very dewy. My palette and under the eyes. Before we pass to the powder, I just want to put a little bit of the Rare Beauty liquid blush. This blush fits so well with the eye look. And I'm just setting my under eye, my nose, fine lines, everything with the Laura Mercier setting powder. I like sometimes to use an eyeshadow brush because I feel like it's more precise and I can really pack it where I want. And then the rest, I usually put it with a regular brush or with a puff. What do we think so far of our cuteness? I think it's pretty good. Then bronzing up the face because we look kind of pale on the camera. Because in real life, I'm not that pale, but on camera, we need more bronzer. And to really remove that line that I have from the concealer because it's kind of really ugly. A little bit of Marcel blush from the drugstore. And we're going to put 2 different highlights on my face. I'm going to put the Becca Lilac Geode highlighter. I'm going to put that one because it's really close to my skin tone and I feel like it's going to be super pretty with the pink and the gold that is in there. It's going to fit with the eye look by itself. It's really going to melt into the blush. Add a little bit of pinkness that I can bring into the bronzer and the blush. And it's like there's a harmony. And then after that, we'll really pinpoint the highlighter to places, which is going to be a different one. It's going to be way better. This one I'm not putting on my nose or anything because it's not going to be as pretty. I'm really putting it where I have bronzer and blush. You know, it reduces a little bit the sharpness of everything else on my face, which is one of my intentions. The other one, I'm gonna go into the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette, and I like to mix the diamond powder with the other highlighter, which these two are just beautiful together. So the regular one, the one is really blinding, but it's just blinding, nothing too special. This one I can really put it anywhere on top of my eyebrows, in between my brow here, and it's not gonna accentuate too much of texture. And then the diamond powder. Oh, that is so cute. Look at this blinding. It's crazy how much it blinds. And then after that, I'm just gonna finish off my eyes real quickly. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of the shade Mary under the eye, some mascara, and then I'll go to the lips because my lashes, I always put them off camera just because it takes so much time and there's basically nothing to show. And if you want me to do a video on how to put lashes, different ways to put it, comment down below. I'll definitely show you in another video. Ooh, and after these Miami lashes from Lily Lashes, I put some Jaclyn Hill highlighter under my brow bone, on my little tip of my nose, and I basically put it everywhere because I thought that it wasn't blinding enough and not pale enough for my liking. So it just looks so much more vibrant now, and we are now ready for the lips, the almost last step, because after that it's the setting spray. I'm gonna go mostly neutral today, so Boldly Bare again for my lips, and the lipstick, which is the shade Reverence Powder Kiss lipstick on my lips. Ooh, the other way around. And for the final touch, we will put some setting spray, and it's gonna be the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Setting Mist. And there you have it. This is the final result of my makeup look. What do you guys think? Tell me down below what you think. If you like this little makeup tutorial, make sure to like the video and to comment down below what was your favorite part, or if you feel like you want to recreate this makeup look. And also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related. So again, I am wishing you a really happy new year, which is going to come very, very soon. 2021 is around the corner. And thank you so much again for watching. I really, really love you, beauties. And I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.